Unraveling Idioms. I'm dead on my feet, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind a common English phrase, I'm dead on my feet. This idiom can be a bit puzzling, especially for English language learners, so we're here to break it down for you. Stay tuned to discover what it really means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. The phrase, I'm dead on my feet, is an idiom used to describe a state of extreme tiredness or exhaustion, where someone feels as if they can barely stand or continue due to fatigue. It's important to note that this expression is figurative, not literal. When someone says they're dead on their feet, they're not actually deceased but rather expressing how deeply tired they are. While the exact origins of I'm dead on my feet are a bit murky, idioms like this often emerge from real-life experiences. This particular phrase likely came from the feeling workers had after a long day of standing or laboring, feeling so exhausted that they felt like they couldn't take another step. Over time, it has become a common way to express severe fatigue in various contexts. 1. Personal experience. You can use this phrase when talking about your own exhaustion. For example, after a long day of work or study, you might say to a friend, I can barely keep my eyes open. I'm dead on my feet. 2. Observing others. It can also be used to describe someone else's apparent tiredness. If you notice a coworker struggling to stay awake during a meeting, you might think to yourself, they look dead on their feet. 3. Creative writing. This idiom is a great way to convey a character's exhaustion in stories or novels. It adds a layer of depth and relatability to the narrative. While I'm dead on my feet is widely understood and used in English-speaking countries, it's always important to be mindful of cultural differences and contexts. What might be a common idiom in one culture could be confusing or even offensive in another. Always consider your audience and whether idiomatic expressions are appropriate for the situation. Thank you for joining us as we explored the meaning and usage of I'm dead on my feet. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and that you feel more confident using it in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words and grammar. It's also about expression and culture. Keep learning, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.